Good morning, everyone. For those of you who are new, my name is John, and I'm that kind of guys who like to shop around for discounted stuff, promotions, savings, and I like electronic stuff, tools, stuff like that, cell phones, just anything that's related to savings. I'm going after. So if that is something that you're into, and you've come to the right place. And I just want you guys to sit back and enjoy the today's video, because I got a couple of items that are on sale, and I think that's great to have. So the first one we're looking at here, it's the Dewalt 20 volt. This one regular price you're looking at about $7.99, and right now you're saving $300, so $4.99. So what you're looking at is you're looking at a complete set here with these the roller here, and let's see, we can click on one by one and we can learn about this is the hammer drill, and this is again, this is the XR version, so it's not like the cheap one that you're getting. Okay, here's another picture, oscillating saw right there, also XR. Closer look, let's see. And we have the circular saw. We got the sander here, brushless. Looked at that already. The impact also HR version as well. And we have this saw as well. So a total, you're looking at, let's see how many all together. One, two, three, four, five, 6 tool plus 2 batteries and a charger and a bag as well. So for that price, I think it's pretty good. Okay, and let's see if we want to go to here a little more about the description itself. This is what you're getting: cordless brushless XR 6 tool combo kit. It includes brushless half-inch hammer drill and 1/4-inch 3-speed impact, reciprocating saw, 7 1/4, circular saw, oscillating multi-tool and random orbit sander. And this includes the battery charger, 4 amps battery, and a contractor bag. Okay, here a little bit more that they have on sale. Okay, not bad. That's one of the promotion that we're having, or actually Lowe's is having. And the next one that we have here is this little external drive. Okay, this one, it's from Crucial, and it's selling by Newegg. So regular price is $94, and right now with the promo code here, EMCGGDM22, you get $5 off. It comes out to be $89. Earlier when I went to the landing page of Newegg, it says that if you're if you subscribe to the newsletter or something, you get additional 10% on your first order. So that might knock it down a little bit more. Also, if you guys never heard about the extension Honey, I added it to the browser, and it automatically search for a coupons code, a promotional code, and it'll apply right away. So this one right here, automatic. So for $89, I think this is by far one of the lowest price that you can get for this type of drive. This is a pretty fast one as well. And why do you need this one? You need this one for your operating system because it will boost up faster than you can believe it. The one that I have is not even this one. I have like the SSD one, and it's pretty quick already. And but this one will be a lot faster. Okay, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that will show you how to install or how to transfer or how to clone your operating system to this one. If you need to, you can check out those videos. Okay, for $89, by far the best, pretty cheap. Next one we're going to take a look at is this soundbar right here. As you can see from Honey, it tracks the price of the items, and it used to be $999.95. Now you get like $200 off. Okay, so This one, it's a JBL bar 9.1. Don't believe in the 9.1 channel soundbar system. This is just a marketing hype, okay? So it's actually 5.1.4. And the good thing about this one, I don't have this one, but I've seen a lot of reviews about this one. I might buy one eventually, but at this moment, not yet. So what comes with this is what you get: the subwoofer, the soundbar itself, and there's two rear speakers. So as you can see, the neat thing about this is if you need to charge these little two side speakers here, you can just put it to the main one, which is this one, and then it will charge itself. And each satellite will last about 10 hours of playtime. Okay, and but if you're somebody who doesn't like to move the little satellite speaker a lot, inside here it has a little I believe it's a micro USB where you can just plug it to an outlet and just let alone leave it there. You know what I mean? So, but for the price and for the review, it seems really good. Okay, so if you're into Dolby Atmos, that's the latest version for sounding. So it creates a lot of effects. It'll make you believe that helicopters flying overhead and all this stuff, raindrops, really nice. Okay, so for $200 less, you can get it on Amazon. There's a lot of places that sells at this price as well. I'll list them in the descriptions for you guys to make it easy. So if you don't want to buy from Amazon, you can buy from Crutchfield, a whole bunch of other places, B&H, okay? So that's about it. We're not going to go into full details about, the items. I'm not going to play this because it's going to flag my video. But see, this is the layout, and you put it on a nightstand. And I don't know if you can see closer here, but there's a little outlet where you can, a little port when you plug in the micro USB, and it's upward firing speakers. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, so let's go to the next one. Next one we have is, as you guys know, Ridgid is one of my favorite tool company because they give you a lifetime warranty. And this light right here, if you get them, it'll work with any of your 18 volts battery. And as you can see, it give you the options. Either it'll take the battery, or you can use the outlet to have it plug in directly to your outlet. And this one is like, you can swivel it, like make it easy for you. Regular price is $89. Now sale price $49. And factory blemish. So basically this one is this company here. You can register this light for LSA. And for those of you who don't know what LSA is, it's a lifetime service agreement. Basically, Ridgid give you 90 days to register the products that you bought from an authorized retailer, either Direct Tools or from Home Depot. And they'll ask you to upload the invoices as well. And once they verified everything, they'll approve it and they'll list it under as LSA. And anything's wrong with your light or with your tool, they're gonna replace it. Same thing with the battery as well. Okay, so pretty neat. It says here extended run times up to 14 hours of continuous runtime on a battery, but it doesn't tell you what size of the battery. I've read there are a couple of reviews where they use a 4 amp battery and they get about 6 hours of runtime for that light, so which is not bad at all. Okay, Ridgid, they also have the stand for this. So if something that you want to use continuously, or or you need it to stand, you can also get the stand as well. But for $50, this is pretty nice. Okay, and that's pretty much wrap up for this video. If you guys like the video, or if somehow the video saved you guys some money, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like I said before, I always try to post a lot of promotion, discount deals to the audience, and that way, who doesn't like savings, right? And and make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and make sure you hit the bell notifications so that way you get notified as soon as I upload the video. And like I said before, some of the promotions, or we don't make a decision fast, or if you don't know about the promotion by the time that you get to it, it might already be out of stocks. Okay, so you don't want to miss out. Other than that, it's a Saturday morning. It's kind of like sprinkling outside. Wish you guys the best, and have a safe Saturday, and I'll see you guys in the next video.